Where are we going now, Ata? Tulvi.
For picnic.
Yes.
Why did the vampire bite Taylor Swift?
Why?
Because she had bad blood.
Jojo, is it nice? That's a big fish. How are you feeling right now? You don't like to eat the fish.
Not old fish.
Old fish?
Yeah.
What is old fish?
Old fish is like when they're growing old. A deer, a female deer, ray, a drop of golden sand.
Where's Jojo? Very chaotic morning because we have 3 munchkins here.
No.
Jojo, look here.
He was the one that got
What
us.
you doing? What's on your face?
He was the one that started it all. He did not come when I called him for the picnic. We're so
Where are we going now, Ata? Tulvi.
for picnic.
Yes.
I'm so excited.
Oh! Jojo, you're too funny. Chapel hana. Chapel hana. Wala chapel dun no. No, I didn't make. I didn't make a video.
You made a.
No, I did not. I just turned it on. Oy, see, Jojo's face is so small with Amon's.
I thought you. Are you playing the truth?
What truth?
Are you playing the truth?
어, 까이전지남.
该就看你吃个。
아하하, 남았어, 안 내려와. 그다 저리거다.
아쭈! 오렌지!
Oh yeah, make your joke now.
Why did the vampire bite Taylor Swift?
Why?
Because she had bad blood.
And now your joke. What's your joke? You don't have any joke. So
Why couldn't Elsa play football?
why?
Because she won't let it go. Last joke of the day.
All right.
You buy me to you
You buy me to eat.
you buy me to eat meat, but you don't eat me.
You buy me to eat, but you don't eat me.
Yeah.
What's that?
When you buy food, you get a plate with it, but you don't eat the plate. You only eat the food.
All right. Thank you. Your thoughts on this, Master Yendi? No thoughts.
Who's some bloopers also?
Hey. You don't have extra clothes, okay?
So yeah, all right on this because there were 2 lover ducks, but we couldn't capture it. They went too fast. They walk like this.
Because ducks waddle. That's called a waddle.
Stop!
Yo, Jojo. What's up? Oh, what's on your face? Kula. Oh, where the ducks go?
First stop. No!
Do.
Where does the fish go?
The fish.
Yeah.
We fish them out with nets, and the remaining they hide in the sand inside. No?
Huh?
Yeah.
How?
There are some fishes who can survive in the sand for some time, sometimes even months and years.
So like they have to clean the pond first.
Yes. Ew, why you do that?
Bloopers. Okay, keep that in bloopers.
Ah, that's too light, Jojo. La, Jojo, this one. Throw. Pee. Yes.
Raw Italy. And let's try.
Just one. Because it's cool.
stood over right.
Yes, done. You can leave that. Yeah. Jojo, is it nice? Sorrow.
I don't know why Jojo likes it.
Jojo likes everything.
I know what happens if I do this.
Hey, I'll tell Apoy-kon to give you a nice stick.
No! For some reason, it's kind of nice, but I don't like
Momo,
it.
don't do that.
I don't like it anymore.
Oh, let's go up. I'm going
Hey
to
guys,
go.
we found the rubber ducks over there.
Where are the ducks? Oh, Jojo. Duck, duck.
Rubber ducks. And maybe in summer, there might be, or winter, there might be duck babies there.
Baby ducks. Ducklings. Momo. Oh, the ducks are just running away, man.
They swaddle.
Oh, they're waddling away to glory.
They're walking in sync. So cute.
Chalo, 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 chalo.
Wolf.
Oh, chalo, chalo, chalo.
A rooster.
Where? Oh, Jade. Yeah. Chal, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, look at them.
Oh no. Duck chase.
Yeah.
Duck chase.
Chase the ducks over there. I want to go to the room like last time.
정어 조조 나 처인 해줘도 고살라지. 아하하하. 아유.
그래 땡하지 그래 그냥 좋아도 기분이 이제
아저니가 처인 살라는. 네. Thank you 조조.
그치 뭐
아.
땡하라 시 노래 나 나나나 보이니까
Jojo. Woo! You come here once? Both of you please look for earthworms. They're on the way.
So like, where did they start? Stop.
You look for earthworms if you're gonna fish.
Apple saying he's going to fish in that pond. There are two ponds, so yeah. So I'm gonna look for earthworms, but I don't think we'll find them.
Well, if no earthworms, no fish.
Apple saying he'll bring fish food.
Hey, Jojo, look at him. He's having so much fun. Hey, baby.
That's for the picnic. We're gonna stay inside there. Yeah.
Cheese sticks. Garlic cheese sticks.
나 기다려 잘로 계속 시간
Pasta bolognese.
टिप्स तो आना नहीं
आज का कुक ये है. See. Dried pork.
How much is that?
Up to her neck.
That's why she's waiting for hydration. She said.
Hydration. Oh no, there's no water.
She's waiting for hydration to go and make the food go down. Everything. I don't want to dip my yummy lollipop into the chicken food. See, I can put it on and twist and then it cannot drop and it. What are you making?
I'm making kitchen fish.
What are you doing, Riri? Fishing.
I want Coca-Cola in the cup, but Mama is
Oh, Coca-Cola is... It's not good for you. It'll like, your teeth. Show me your teeth, see? That's because of sugar.
I like what it is.
There's lots of sugar in Coca-Cola.
Yeah. No, I don't like Coca-Cola. I also want to watch it. I also want to watch it. I'm tired of
You're drinking water? Alright. Stay put. I'll get it for you, alright? Bye. Water. You're fishing in the air. Wow, seems like you caught a very big fish. That's a big fish. How are you feeling right now?
very sad because I started up.
Oh, I love your hair. It's curled.
She curled it.
Wow.
I know, I want some water. I'm getting some water. All this water is more.
Oh my god, kids. are no longer kids. So if you get a big fish, what are you going to do with it?
Of course, I'm gonna not eat it. I'm gonna give it to my family. I don't like fish when there's bones.
Oh, you don't like fish when there's bones?
I like plain fish without bones.
Ugh, why are you so picky?
And then
Tell me.
when the fish is old, I don't like to eat old fish.
You don't like to eat the fish?
Not old fish.
Old fish?
Yeah.
What is old fish?
Old fish is like when they're growing old, they have white hair. And when they're already old, I don't like to eat that.
So how do I know when a fish is old?
The fishes are over
Wait. You learn once that chicken just pecks you, okay? Wait, oh no. Hello girls. How's your fishing game going? But you haven't caught any fish yet. So I don't know where that luck.
A drop of golden sand. Me and it, I call myself far along the way to run. So I need a pulling train. One last. These are your last final ones.
Why'd you stop singing? Aha! Sing. 1, 2.
A deer, a female deer, with a drop of a deer, a female deer, with a drop of golden sand. Me and him, I call myself far a long, long way to run. So a little pulling thread, la, and a tea, I drink a jam and bread. That will bring us back to do.
Done?
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Wow.
Mama, where's that Flinto? Where's that Flinto? Mama, where's that Flinto? I want to do myself. Ta-da!
Oh my god, like lightsaber.
Lightsaber, I'm gonna kill you.
Oh my god. Please don't kill me. Hey! Jojo! Oh my god, this little boy.
I don't know what should I do with mine since the lift up is gone.
Loves being in the driver's seat.
No. The car's over here.
Hey!
The car's over.
Happy New Year! Joe. Happy New Year!